Japanese language. Excited po ay Capas National High School in Yokohama. On this 2025, the welcoming activity is designed to help the Nihongo grade 7 learners read their set 5, grade 9 and 10, and learn to work together in actual Japanese activities. Likewise, this activity will elect them use SPSM Nihongo officers and help build rapport among the Nihongo advisors and CNHS SPSM Nihongo learners. The following pictures, we can see all of the Nihongo students last school year when they were on taking for their general assembly and taking for the new SPSL officers. At the final ay 2025 Nihongo Festival of Talents. The description says, the special program in foreign language, Nihongo, culminating activity among Nihongo learners called Nihongo Festival of Talents on January 23rd, 2025, Thursday at Capas National High School at 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. at Bad Quarry. In this picture, we can see all the grade 7 and grade 9 Nihongo teams that performed in Bad building last year. This is the grade 10 Nihongo teams, and this is the grade 9 Nihongo teams. And the title for this one is Nihongo Class Demonstration. The description says, the Nihongo Class Demonstration is an anticipated annual activity done by a Nihongo teacher along with the SPSL Nihongo students, which is observed by the school heads and forced on demand for high school instruction. In short, CJH. In this picture, we can see our section and our teaching the grade 10 teams in the class demonstration while they observed by the CJH team and our dear principal and the master teacher in English department. Title for this one is CJH. Uphold Japanese language and cultural tradition among SPSL Nihongo students, teachers, and advisors. This is the people or the CJH team that visited our school. This is the grade 10 Nihongo teams from last year when they performed the Japanese cultural wedding. This is the grade 7 Holonet from last year when they performed a cultural dance. This was the grade 9 Nihongo teams who performed a lively dance. And this is when we all performed for the CJH team. And this is the winners in the Nihongo Mr. and Mrs. Intrams. This is Francesca Manalo, who won 3rd place in Miss Intrams, and this is Ate Rihanna, who won 1st place in Miss Intrams, and this is Ate Marlani, Ate Angel, who won also in Miss Intrams, and this is Kuya Carl, who won in Mr. Intrams. Honorable mentions po sa aming dating MCs na grade 10 po, si Ate Hikari at Ate Marlani. And honorable mentions sa ating mga MCs from last school year, which is Serena and Aaron. This is Ate Angel D. Nasa when she played in Regional Festival of Talents. This is Ate Marlani H.S. Malone, who won 3rd place in 2025 Regional Festival of Talents. And this was school last year with all the Nihongo teams, with extensive relations.
And that is the Sir Expo. Good afternoon po sa lahat. Lahat po ba Tagalog po, nakakaintindi? Lahat? Pero nagsasalita ko mga Tagalog. Mas magtatagalog na lang po ako. Bale, ako po pala, and by the way, welcome po sa ating first PTA meeting orientation. And I am glad that you are all here. Dahil this is just a once-in-a-lifetime experience po. Your presence is really SPML, Ilonggo, or Mandarin subject. At the same time, meron pa silang TVE subject. Sa ibang special, sa ibang TECO or special program, ang meron lang po sila is yung TECO. Wala po sila ibang specialization or skills. So, yung mga anak ninyo, ang dami po nilang na-learn na skills. And, alam niyo po ba na napakamahal
Hindi, inano ko lang. Ano pa rin yan? Oo. Ano mo nga? Para ano? Asan yung sasakyan niya? Nakamotor lang, be. Pero, nakamotor lang siya eh. Nana? Nakakamito ko. Kapagal naman yung tayo kaya natatas na. Wow! Nakaano ko kanina. Nag-meeting din siguro kay tayo. Daniela. Na? Ito mama kunin. Ating kasake pare? Ating kasake? Ito.